This is an extremely important trick, okay? And I'm not just saying it like the other ones. It doesn't come just once every test. It comes like 3 or 4 times every test. And it's the building block for many other tricks as well. So pay a lot of attention. So by all, what I mean is if it says, for example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, dot, 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 all the way to, oh, I don't know, let's say 10, right? Let's keep the number small and then we'll go bigger. Let's say it goes until 10. What you do is this formula, n times n plus 1 over 2. This is also the triangular numbers formula. So if it says what's the 10th triangular number what's the 10th triangular number, this is what it's talking about. So without further ado, let's do this. So you divide this by 2 and then you get 5. And you add 1 to this and you get 11. 11 times 5 is 55. And that is the answer. Really, that's all to it. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, there's something else that you do. So this is an even number, and it ended on an even number. But what happens if it ends on an odd number? Pretend this goes all the way to the number 19, for example. Okay? What would this equal to? 19 plus 1 is 20. But you don't just do 20 times half of 19. You half 20 because 19, if you half 19, it would become into a decimal. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then you just multiply 19 to 10 just straight up. You don't do anything else. So 10 times 19 is 190. Another thing that they ask sometimes is even, where they say 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 dot dot dot. So that can go up to sometimes, let's say for example, plus 24 equals blank. What you do now, 24, Okay, what you do now is you half 24. 24 times 1/2 is equal to 12. Now you take the same 12 and you say 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13, and you multiply 13 with the original 12. And as everyone knows, 13 times 12 is 156. And that's the answer for even. They also ask odd at times. Odd is even easier than the rest. Well, that's just my view. Some people might think even is easier. But so they say dot 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 all the way to, I don't know, 63. All right? So 63 is an odd number. And what you do with this last number is you add 1 to it. 63 plus 1, 64. And you divide this by 2. And that will give you 32. What you do is you don't add 1 like you did with the evens. Instead, you just square 32. 32 squared is obviously 1024. And that is your answer for this. All of these 3 things are key to the success of your number sense score improvement, and hopefully you paid a lot of attention. If not, use a lot of replays, and of course, as always,